You're using Microsoft Windows computer, you must open your Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, and after that you must go to your keyboard and you must turn on this number lock key. So now you can see that the number lock have been enabled. Now you can see that this is the Alt key on the left side of my keyboard. So you must press and hold this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time you must type here 1 2. That is, you must type here 1 2 7 9 1 1. After typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that we have created a headphone symbol. So if you open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and you can try like this manner, you can create a headphone symbol. So this is the code, that is Alt 127911. For more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.